isn't gonna work. I need a crossbow or something.
This is futile. But hey, remember, a day's deer hunting is better than any day at a fire and rec meeting.
Speaking of which, I was wondering what we should do about Sven.
What do you mean?
We need to swear him into the department. He's been here for 43 years now. It's just not fair to keep him hanging.
No worries. I told him I think he's ready, and I was just about to tell everyone at practice anyway.
Oh, that's great. That's been bugging me for a long time.
By the way, do you think it's a good idea that we're both away?
Well, we haven't had a start to the fire in months. And even if we do, I think the guys can handle it.
Hey, what's that over there? Hey, whoo, we got one here. Hey, drinks all around. Drinks all around. Yeah, and this for you, my little fella. One of my best friends ever. Yeah. One here for Annie. There we go. She's enjoying that. And for the winner, one tall brew. High five me, buddy. High five me. Hey, Annie, I have to take a leak. I'll be back in a second. What's that sound? Annie, the chimney's on fire. Grab a pail of water.
Dispatch, what's the nature of the emergency?
Hello, this is Sven $11. I live in central Willis Land and my chimney's on fire.
Where's your house?
655 Greg Lane.
Okay, copy that. 7655 Greg Lane.
That's right.
WTF! What'd I do? Oh, I think it's a chimney fire. Metro North Island pagers, respond to 7655 Greg Lane for a chimney fire. I think it's a chimney fire.
a call. Come on, let's go.
What?
There's a call. Come on.
Oh, pass to Junior. I'm standby. Pass to Junior, standby.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, press the buzzer, Mark. Press it again. Come on, let's go! All right. There's no one in there. Hey, Jim, can you drive?
Yeah, I can drive. Let's go. This is engine 1, leaving the hull, 6 on board.
Dispatch, Central Willis Blast. Come on, Dispatch. You there?
Dispatch! Dispatch, you there?
Some retard in the fire truck, I think.
What are you gonna do? Try to get their attention?
These will get their attention. You just watch.
Hey! Heads up! Christ, what was that? What? You got the PA on! It's on PA!
Dispatch, you know who called the fire in?
Dispatch, we're almost on scene.
Dispatch, that's at the other end of Greg Lane.
Roadkill? That'd be perfect.
Units turnaround is at the other end of Greg Lane. To extend 11 Doll's House.
Turn around. Copy that, IC. We're turning around.
Engine 1, stage at the bottom of the driveway.
Copy that, IC.
I'll run the phone.
IC? It's JC. It's icy here. Over.
I'm IC, JC.
I know you're IC, but it's icy here and we can't stage here.
I see.
Repeat that, IC. I did not understand.
I said IC!
I know you're IC. We've already been through this.
Okay, forget it. Stage at the next spot that is not icy.
So just park wherever you aren't?
That'll do.
Northeast, fire's out. Over.
So I heard we had a fire call while we were away deer hunting. How did it go?
Saved the foundation.
Well, congratulations, everybody. Hey, just so everyone knows, we've got Dean Highland. He's going to be doing the catering for our Christmas banquet this year.
What's for dinner?
Venison.
Say cheese.
Venus and cheese.
Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, right here. Awesome, guys. Yep.
Come on, you should take like
I
100
wasn't even
shots.
looking.
That's great. Couldn't be better.
Really, like.
Thanks for helping, Levi. Did you have fun helping?
Yep.
What's your favorite part of the movie so far?
Nothing.
Nothing? What scene do you like the best?
Sirens.
What do you do at dispatch? Like, do you guys get many calls?
Never any calls.
How many calls a month do you get, say?
Oh, 2.
So what do you do the rest of the time?
Listen to the radio. Listen to my tunes.
Don't you ever study the maps?
Maps?
Yeah, like the one behind you.
I like to study the maps. I like to remember all the street names.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea. You must have lots. How many street names do you have?
Quite a few.
Well, how many?
4.
I'm going to say action and then 5 seconds.
Okay.
Action.
Whoa. Whoa, check that out. Holy sh... Uh-oh.
3, 2, 1, action!
Action!
Greg Lane. Turn around, it's at Sven Elevendal's house.
Say it again. Oh, you might want to say it.
All units turn around, it's at Sven Elevendal's house.
Yeah,
It's at the other end of Greg Lane.
it's like
All
7-Eleven doll.
All units turn around, it's at the other end of Greg Lane at Sven Elevendal's house.
Yeah.
All units turn around, it's at the other end of Greg Lane. It's at Sven Elevendal's house. I better have to do because
That's great. Yeah, I have. Don't turn and face the camera, that's all. So, perfect. Action.
Well, I gotta drop my trap.
Yeah. So you're rolling. So, action.
Okay.
Action.
Yeah, here we...
Yeah.
Okay, we've got Dean Highland. He's going to do all the...
Okay.
So we've got Dean Highland. He's going to do...
Okay, hang on. Okay, ready? Action. I live in Willis, Central Willis Land. Just say it. I live in Central Willis Land, and my chimney is on fire. I need help now. What's your address?
What is my address?
Well, it's too fast and it's too far. It's too many
Better put this. Yep. There's the torch I had up the chimney. There's the scene of the latest hunt.
And I've lived the
Set off the smoke alarm in an instant with that torch. Unbelievable.
Words won't keep me down, so I'll just drive around. I've got everything for the coffin, but these are the dreams, these are the smiles, these are the faces that I'm hard enough for miles, and I am real in this dreamer's place. Ringing that bell for the silence that breaks. Open your eyes and use them to see. She is free in this wicked
So I don't know what their dialogue is, but you could say like you know, what do you, Graham, aren't you coming to the call?
I'll be sleeping.
Okay. Okay, go for it, James.
Graham, aren't you coming to the call?
What?
We got a call. Come on, let's go.
Oh, I stand by. I pass.
Oh, come on.
Junior firefighters, out of the juniors.
Well, we gotta go, Graham.
Let me finish my coffee.
Come on.
Or just say, oh, whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
No, seriously.
Whatever you want to do.
Since I've had cause to smile, well, I feel that it's time for a change. These are the dreams, these are the smiles, these are the faces that I've haunted us for miles, and I am real in this dreamer's place. Ringing that bell for the silence that breaks. So open your eyes and use them to see. Admission is free in this waking dream, in this waking dream.
Really fast.
Admission is free.
Okay, hang on, Jenny. I'm just gonna check this one. This is Al. Brought his daughter up to this very important scene. I'm gonna pull out the window.